This morning I want to talk to you on the subject titled The Engine of Life. The engine of life. No matter how beautiful a car is, no matter how expensive a car is, if that car does not have an engine, it's immobile. That car is grounded. When you've got an engine problem, you have gotten a very fatal problem with that car. I know what I'm talking about because we have had to change one or two engines of our vehicle. When a car has engine problem, you don't patch it. I remember Nissan. You know, we spent money because the mechanics told us that all you have to do is just change this part, just change that part, and the engine is working well, the motor is working well. We never knew that that the mechanic only wanted to rip us off. So when they opened the engine, the little problem according to the mechanic he will fix deteriorated. Because when you open one part, which you are not supposed to open, you open it, you have already distorted the whole arrangement. So he packaged the thing, and then within 1 week, the thing packed up. So the money we spent, useless. We had to go buy a new engine to put in the car. I want to say to you that the engine of life is your heart. Hallelujah. Amen. Your heart has the power to make you or mar you. Your heart has the power to make you or mar you. Your physiological or biological heart beats 24/7. I was watching the video of the heart, how it functions. And I decided to glorify God the more. Your heart does not go to sleep. When you are sleeping, your heart, I'm talking of physiological heart, your biological heart, it does not sleep. It keeps working. Can you thank God for your heart this morning? Every second your heart is beating. It's pumping blood. Boom, 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 boom. That's why I said that your heart is the engine of your life. If it stops for 1 second, you are gone. If you don't have eyes, you are functioning, you are alive. True of us. Your hands have problem, you are still working. But if the heart is not working, you are in trouble. I pray that your heart will keep beating. Amen. Heart failure is a very terrible disease. Very few people survive it. No member of the Great House Mandate Church shall suffer heart attack. Amen. Can you stand up for that special prayer this morning? Put your hands on your chest as I declare this prayer over you. Father, in the name of Jesus, amen. From this message we discover that our hearts, they are the engines of our lives. I decree there shall be no heart attack. Amen. Our heart will continue beating. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. No heart attack is permitted in this commission. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Your heart will be working. 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 In the name of Jesus. Your heart will not go on holiday. In the mighty name of Jesus. It is done. In Jesus' precious name. Amen. You may be seated. The Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23, Proverbs 4:23, keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. There is an instruction to keep our hearts. The manufacturers of the car will tell you what to do to make your engine perform well. They will tell you that you have to change the oil constantly. Your engine will knock if you don't have oil. That's why a good driver will not just start the car and start moving. He will first of all check the gauge of the oil. Is it okay? Has oil dripped beyond measure? Or is it leaking somewhere? He will check very well. And then after checking, and he discovers that the thing is slow, is low. The oil gauge, the oil is low. What does he do? It tops it up. And if it's doing constant leakage, the oil is getting low every now and then, what does he do? You go to the mechanic. I don't know, my engine is shorting oil, as we used to say in Nigeria. It's shorting oil. Do something. And then they'll tell you maybe the engine is wearing out or something. They'll tell you, okay, you're getting ready to change your engine. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. There shall be no heart transplant here. Amen. Because our hearts will be working well. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.